chip spreader is a diesel-powered, hydrostatically driven, self-propelled vehicle. It consists of a receiving hopper in the rear, into which a truck or live bottom dumps stone, and a pair of belt conveyors to elevate and move the stone to the front spread hopper. The spread hopper spreads the stone out uniformly across the road. The chip spreader follows the distributor and places a layer of stone on the liquid asphalt. The stone is then rolled into the asphalt by a rubber-tired roller to seat it. As the asphalt cools, it solidifies, bonding with the stone. The diesel engine drives a large, variable displacement hydrostatic pump which supplies oil directly to a hydrostatic motor, which drives the differential on the front axle. These hydrostatically propelled chip spreaders may be equipped with a four-wheel drive system by adding a second motor to drive the rear axle. Hydrostatic chip spreaders may be equipped with either a fixed-width front hopper from 10 to 14 feet in width, or may also utilize a unique variable-width front spread hopper from 9 to 24 feet wide. A computer is used to sense the ground speed of the machine and control the machine's forward speed, just like a cruise control on a car. The same computer is also used to control the gate opening in the front spread hopper to deliver a constant amount of material onto the ground. The material is delivered to the rear hopper of the chip spreader by dump trucks or live bottoms, which are hooked to the chip spreader and then towed by the chip spreader while dumping into the rear hopper. The belt conveyors bring the material forward in the chip spreader and fill the front spread hopper, which in turn discharges the material onto the ground in the required amount.